I thank Baquler for going through and sending me these heated ground mats to go through and melt the snow for driveways. I'm going to go through and test these out. Let's go and unbox them. We have a storm coming up, so probably going to be a few days till I get to actually test them, but let's go through and show you how it looks. So here you can go through and see that they are in bubble wrap and packaged. It was in 2 boxes as well, so it came out really packaged well. And as we open it here, you can see the fabric. It's great to walk on. Will definitely work. Now the question is, how will they work in the snow? That's something we're going to try soon. But before that, let's go through and just look at them. You can see how they plug in. They plug in from one side and then it plugs into the other. You also have the main power adapter, which does have a power on the actual plug itself, which is nice because you don't have to walk all the way to the match. You can just turn it off and on here instead of unplugging it, which will help. We got the 3-piece, the 20 by 30 inch. And now the question is, how do they work? Well, we have a crazy storm coming in this weekend, so I'm going to go through and set them up tomorrow. We'll record the setup, and then we're going to go through and show you how they worked after this blizzard of so many inches we're supposed to get. Here you can see them on the steps. Now, this blizzard was pretty rough. It was a lot of snow, and it was also a lot of rain and sleet. So this isn't really melting snow, it's melting a lot of ice as well. So I turned them on a few hours late, unfortunately. So it took a while to go through and get it. But then later on, we noticed something like this. You have about 6 inches of space. Now we've got like a foot of snow. So because of that, it didn't melt everything. It kind of made like a capsule, if you will. But you can see the steam even rising up from it. And all the steps are open. Unfortunately, because it was so cold, which is really odd for it to stay under like, 20 degrees, it was a little rough. Overall, I think these will be perfect in a regular snowstorm. It's just when it gets really icy and really heavy snow, it's just probably gonna be a little too much. But overall, they're pretty cool.